Okay, so today we're changing our software for our 7KF machine. Make sure to copy your data prior to changing the card. It's liable to erase it depending on how old your system is. Okay, so first what we want to do, unplug the machine from the back. Then we're going to remove the cover. There are 2 screws on the front. Wrench. It's a 1/8 hex wrench. There's 1 trap screw on the far. So we slide the front panel off, and just lay it flat. You use your keyboard for support. We have the ribbon cable here, disconnect that. And we're going to gently pull left and right on the card to remove it. Okay. Push the micro SD card in to pull it out. We'll install that into our new board. Pull that off that. Install that, slide him in. Come in from the bottom side, you need to make sure all your pins are aligned. Kind of tilt it up and then just gently press it in. Then we hook up our monitor again. Make sure there's a flag pin on the far side. Take a look at that, make sure that's in the center. If this is offset, it will. All right, so board's in. Let's put the cover back on. Careful of the wires. Get those above that. Come in here. We're just going to throw 1 screw on here so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, go ahead and plug in your machine. Go ahead and power it on. We have our new version software here. We get an invalid device number because this software is different. So we just hit default settings, give it about 10-15 seconds, and there we go.